This is an example of a 3 things in a box presentation. I'll first give a good presentation, then a bad one. The first picture I chose was of my daughter's toy, and I chose this because it represents my identity as being a mom. I wanted to make sure that I chose a toy that she likes because it's important to me that she is happy. Being a mom is one of my new identities, so I'm very excited to share it with anyone who will listen. Another one of my identities is being a nerd. This is an example of some of the nerdy things that I have around my house. I had this cake topper made for my wedding, and I did that so that my husband, who shaves his head, is bald, and Leia costume is a person of color. Recently I had the little mini Chewbacca made in order to signify Gemma's addition to our family. The last piece that I had for my 3 things in a box was my Harry Potter book. This is the 20th anniversary edition that I got in Scotland. I always make sure to pick up a copy of Harry Potter in whatever country we're in, and that's normally my souvenir. This represents my identity as a reader and how much I love to read. I reread Harry Potter every year, and I love getting into books and talking about books, so I'm really excited to do that this year with my students. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I'm gonna give a presentation about things I put in a box. This is a toy that my daughter likes, so, yeah. This is a picture of me being a nerd, not me, a picture of nerdiness. And this is a picture of a book because I like to read. Yeah, that's it.